Valentine is around the corner, and that means we're going to be looking for gifts for our friends, loved one, a significant other. This video today is about a nice jewelry. If you're interested in seeing this jewelry, keep on watching the video. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back everyone. If this is the first time that you are clicking on my face, my name is Chi and I concentrate on fashion, pretty much anything I would love to talk about right here. So if it sounds like what you kind of like interested into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become part of this my little girl family. Let's be friends. And to my returning subscribers, you all know I heart you. Thank you guys for coming back. You have a nice jewelry, and this jewelry is from a Japanese brand called Biwako Jewelry. Biwako, like I said, is a Japanese brand, and they do cater to all women around the world. This jewelry was created specifically for this Valentine season. Let me show you guys the box and then we'll get into it, okay? How big the box is, looks so pretty. I love the flower right there. You can see this box was specifically created for this Valentine season, but don't worry, I'm gonna get into what's inside this box. Biwako means lake, and Biwa is the birthplace of freshwater pearl farming since last century. Now this actual jewelry I'm going to be showing you guys is a bracelet, and this bracelet is specifically designed for Valentine's Day. They also provide a Tahitian black pearl bracelet, and I do think it's also a suitable gift for any loved ones. And of course, if you decide to purchase for yourself, you can go ahead and purchase this bracelets for yourself. Like, this is pretty cool. This is pearl seashell mussel converted into a nice jewelry tray to put your jewelries. It is very well made. I am going to definitely put my jewelries, like stack them up right here. This is a very nice decorative piece that will complement my jewelry section. Yeah, I love it. I put the jewelry back in here because I'm gonna take a picture like for my thumbnail. Y'all know how it is, so it's right here. I just love the fact that this brand just pays attention to a lot of details. The pouch, pick up the bracelets right here. I think it's from in here. This is a very nice bracelet. It's so cute. It's gorgeous. It could go a whole lot of things in my closet. I love the fact that chains on it with like the pearl right here. So the pearl is very distinctive on this bracelet. This bracelet is called the Lunar Elegance Shiratama pearl bracelet. It is an adjustable bracelet, so you can adjust this bracelet. It has two loops right here that you can adjust. The type of pearl is used for this bracelet is called, I don't want to butcher the name, Ikecho Biwa freshwater. The metal for the bracelet is a black sterling silver enamel. This bracelet is so sophisticated, it's very elegant, it's very pretty, and it's very unique because of that Shiratama pearl that is added to the chain. It makes the bracelet really unique. So there's another variation of this bracelet. It's also called Midnight Baroque Tahitian pearl bracelet. So everything is all enamel in black, and the pearl is in black as well. So I'm going to show you that picture here so you can also see that variation. You can even put this on as an accessory on my dress here. I can do this and just pin it right here as a nice dangling brooch over here, and just use like a cute pin to stack it up right there to make it stay properly, but it will look cute as a nice brooch. I have a discount code for you guys, and discount code is Chichi15. You can get 15% off the entire website. That is even way more than what the website is offering right now, because the website is offering 10% on total purchases, but I'm going to also pop it up right here so you can take advantage of that discount code and purchase anything, not just this bracelet for Valentine, but they do have very nice, gorgeous, well-crafted pearl jewelries on your website. They have nice necklaces, nice choker, rings, earrings. They have a whole lot of beautiful jewelries on your website that you can splurge on. I hope you guys loved this bracelet. Let me know what you guys think about this Biwako pearl bracelet, and also, like I said, I'm gonna leave the information down in the description box down below. Don't forget to hit the like button, turn the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post any brand new content right here. And with that being said, thank you lovelies, thank you families, and I catch you guys in the next one. Take care and remain blessed. Bye bye.